This is same park, Old Settlers Park, and it's another side of Old Settlers Park. This is where the ducks hang out. As you can see, it's very peaceful. I love hearing the sounds of nature and just being so peaceful and relaxing. This attracts a lot to people bringing their families here and also bringing their pets. As you can see, kind of out there in the distance, you can see some more ducks. As you can hear the birds chirping. It is awesome to see this early in the morning. I hope you're enjoying this video as much as I enjoy bringing them to you. See you all soon. Take care.